Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel Audible subscription. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to audible.com and sign into your account. Then, you will be taken to your Audible homepage. Over here, click your account name in the top right corner. After that, click on Account Details from the drop-down menu. Then you will be directed to your account screen. After that, click the blue Cancel Membership link under the Your Membership section. Then a screen will appear asking why you want to cancel your subscription. Over here, select the reason that best fits and then click the orange Continue Canceling button. After that, you will see another screen offering a reduced rate deal. Then click the orange Cancel Membership button if you don't want the offer. After that, you will be returned to your account screen with a message confirming your membership has been cancelled. So that's basically how you can cancel Audible subscription. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.